Hi, good morning, yeah. Today I'm going to make 2 minutes easy poosy Maggie noodles. Come on now, come. Today, what I'm doing, I don't want to tell my children, Today I'm so tempting, yeah, because weather is very nice, very drizzly, and I can't even tell you that I'm not able to explain the weather. But my mood, moods is telling that you must have Maggie, yeah, I'm telling my children if they'll ask, no, Mama, today we'll eat Maggie. Hey, no, don't eat. That is very bad. What about me? Today I'm so tempted to eat the Maggie. Then I will show you how to make the Maggie. This is very tasty. I like soupy Maggie, soup like that only I will drink. Even though my throat is not very good, yeah, always one small excuse I will give. Oh, because of my throat only I'm having this and all. But anyhow, I'll show you. Sometimes we have to cheat. Okay, what to do? All the time eating healthy, becoming so healthy. It's not possible. So it's okay. Okay, chalta hai. Okay, come on now. This is now boiling. I always add little salt in this because less salt in that. Okay, spices also I will add. If you want, you can. Yeah, don't use all the vegetables. Yeah, this is maja. That time only chit. Like because of weather only. If you are drinking like this, that Maggie noodle soup. Wow, Emmy. Okay, my children used to tell me like that only. So we'll make it today. Okay, already this is boiling. Then we have to cut. This is. I'm not cutting fully because let boiled properly. Yeah. So if you want to like soupy type, at least you can take only one and a half. That's it. I'll show you like this only this much. Just break it like this. I always break it. Now little bit. The water is boiling. Then we'll make masala also. I'll use two packets for one and a half. I always, but everybody don't eat. Yeah, once in a while it's okay. Totally, this is maida. I don't know where and all they'll keep. It's okay. What to do? We are used to eat all this nonsense, and I don't know what to tell also. Okay, now this is ready. Now what you have to do? You have to cut your masala and put it. I told you, no, always I'll do something, some mistakes only. Arey Baba. Okay, two packets you have to. The aroma is very nice, yeah. Okay. I don't know what and all they're mixing. It's coming like up. I'm putting the masala. If you want, you can add little bit this thing also. What do you say that chili flakes? Where my karchi is gone, I don't know. It's okay, fine. I will take this one. Okay. See, this color is very nice. Now I'm tempting to eat. I know that this is not good, even though. So like this only you have to put it. Yeah. See. Now you have to close little wide. You want, you can add the chili flakes also. That is very tasty. Okay, close the lid little while. Then I'll show you. Okay. See, now I'm adding, I told you already, the chili flakes nicely. Then I'm mixing. If necessary, you can add little more salt also. See, how nice this one. See, wow. I'm not doing any messy because adding the vegetables and all, nothing doing, only as it is how it's done. That only I'm going to drink now. Little bit you have to boil because the softness, I like that one. It will be crunchy also, I think. Let me see now. Yeah, see, the watery like soup only I like actually. This is the Maggie. Now time to taste and enjoy. Okay, come on, close it and switch off the gas. Now we'll bring one soup bowl and drink now. Come, see, now my Maggie is ready. Weather also very nice, chilly. Now See, this is a Maggie, very, very hot. Yeah, just 1 minute. Huh? to taste. Very tasty, very nice. Yeah, you people can also try once in a while, not every time. Okay, enjoy this moment also. Bye.